Welcome to the e-stamping tutorial on how to pay stamp duty. After logging in via SingPass, click on Records. Select Search Records or Cases. Next, click on the drop-down list under Type. Select Pending Payment. Click on Search. Select the records you wish to make payment for by clicking on the checkbox. You may pay for more than one record at a time. Next, click on Proceed to Pay. When the pop-up box appears, click on Pay to proceed. Next, verify that you selected the correct records. If the selected records are correct, click Continue. Please verify the payment amount and take note of the payment reference number. Next, scroll down and select your preferred payment mode. Once done, click on Continue and proceed to pay via your selected payment mode. If your submission is successful, you will be directed to the final acknowledgement page. Once payment is successful, you can download your stamp certificate. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial.